Come test drive the 2015 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway miles per gallon is not bad either, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, anti-lock braking system, traction control, all-wheel drive, heated seats, navigation system, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.